There's a 5-step answer engine optimization strategy that actually works. Most content strategies were built for Google, but discovery has changed. Social, search, AI assistance, zero click answers. If your strategy used to be with SEO, rank, and hope, you're too late to the game now. Every single social search, the behavior is obvious. Forbes reported that among 18 to 24-year-olds, 67% use Instagram to search and 62% use TikTok to search. Never mind how many of them spend countless hours on YouTube looking for content. They don't go to Google. They're not even using ChatGPT yet. So the question is, shouldn't be SEO or AEO. It's how do you become the default answer across all systems? And we built a 5-step strategy at Data Nerds to help you with this. Number one, you need to measure your baseline of the AI visibility of your brand or business. Before you publish anything, you need to be measuring mentions, citations, and your AI search of voice. You can quickly go and do this on datanerds.com. You need to map the buyer prompts. What might people actually be searching in ChatGPT or Grok or Gemini? Not just keywords. We used to only track keywords with AdWords and SEO. And that keyword research worked really good for SEO. Now we need to start doing prompt research to figure out how we can optimize our AEO process. You're targeting queries like best X for Y or what should I use if I have this problem? For example, if you're a plumbing business, what's the best, most reputable plumbing business in Kelowna that's open today that can come and fix my sink? So it's a very conversational type question versus what used to just be plumbing in Kelowna. The third step to this is building citation friendly pages that the LLMs can crawl. AI cites content that's easy to extract. Your definitions need to be up top, clear sections, list, tables, and frequently asked questions, as well as pillar pages for what are your core offerings and the problems that you solve. The fourth step in this is publishing proof and original data. AI needs evidence. It can read endless amounts of information about your business, your industry, and even your brand. And so you have to have benchmarks, methodologies, comparison tables, and real examples of customer success. It loves to see reviews about your businesses. And now the fifth thing, the AI and LLM engines are always tracking the freshness of the content that's on your website and anything that's said online about your brand. If it hasn't been refreshed in 90 days, it's less likely to be cited. So AI outputs are changing constantly, and the winners need to update constantly. So we're going to have baseline, prompts, pillars, and then monthly iteration. That's the whole game. So, where are you struggling most with this in your business? Are you actually measuring how often you show up in these? I've been running online businesses for 15 years. I only started tracking our AI searches where we were starting to get traffic using Google Analytics to see when our business would show up in these LLMs and how much traffic we were getting day by day. And in November, we had 5 searches. In December, we had 30. In January, we had over 300 just by doing some small, quick changes to each of our websites. And it's scaling infinitely more now. And so we want to help you with this at dadnerds.com. If you need help with step number one or any of these steps, check out our website. And if you want to get a weekly tip of how to improve your AEO, please subscribe, like, and comment on this channel. We'll see you here next week.